Hello everybody, welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Friday the 28th of April 2023, wrapping up another week. Well, at least for traditional markets, of course, crypto does trade over the weekend, albeit recent weekends have been pretty quiet. Let's have a look at crypto markets today because we've got some interesting movements that I want to bring to your attention. I had my Ethereum chart open here. The reason being is because we've got some nice technicals playing out on this particular market right now. I made you all aware in recent times of the ascending trend line, of which we've been tagging now for quite some time, putting in new highs, okay, moving down, but putting in a new high, moving down, etc., etc., until we eventually got that Shanghai upgrade on Ethereum recently. That caused the price to surge, but then we faded all that last week. So that looked like a false move, essentially, and we did get through 2000. We got through to 21, but couldn't get a hold above that, and back below the ascending trend line now. So that's first thing. Second thing is, in a more recent trend line, so this is the more longer term one, ascending. Now we've got a descending trend line, which is just starting. And you can see the sort of the price pattern of which I'm looking at here is this sort of triangular pattern here, while still under that ascending trend line. But which way are we going to break? Because I can see here that we're having a go over the past few hours. We've gone into there, rejected off, just another knockback over the past hour. But you're starting to see here some high lows. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row. This one looks like it's not going to be a high low. So if this one maybe closes below the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, or even 5, then it could be that this descending trend line starts to become more dominant, and we do see a move down, and we retest that 1790 low from earlier in the week. So that's my thoughts on Ethereum. On Bitcoin, we've highlighted the importance of that 50-day moving average, also 27k below. We had a stronger day yesterday after that really mixed day on Wednesday. Today has been really quiet so far, absolutely no movement whatsoever. So I don't really have much to add from what I was talking about yesterday. You know, we had that dramatic seesaw on Wednesday. We had a mass liquidation of both short and long positions and separate unfounded rumors of Bitcoin sales by the US government, and of course from failed exchanges before them rebounding. So, you know, they've been pretty resistant, I would say, cryptos in general, to industry mishaps and wider macroeconomic uncertainty. So, you know, the key word really is that resilience moving forward. Can we continue to see that resilience? We've got further banking stress coming out of the US. First Republic Bank holding crisis talks. So we are monitoring that as well closely. Remember the last time we had crisis with Credit Suisse, Bitcoin's price actually started trending higher. We saw a big breakout to the upside after an initial fall down, but we saw that narrative that, okay, well, BTC's away from the banking system, therefore price should be going higher. So that was the logic behind the move up in price last time. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. Ripple not really seeing much action. We've seen a slight move higher, just rejected off around the 48.20 level. Litecoin as well, quite flat on the day, as you can see. The day so far is basically this, and we've not gone anywhere. So I've got nothing to add really on Litecoin apart from just watch out for the 91.60 level overhead. And while I'm seeing 88 still as some support, albeit, you know, that level has been pretty chopped up in this recent bout of volatility that we've seen. So yeah, that's where we're at on cryptos. I'll leave it there for now, and I'll see you all inside the chat room. Thanks for listening, and all the best with your trading. Bye for now.